Today's story is all about Rajshahi, the most cleanest city of Bangladesh. This city is full of green
It's
and
hard for me to
refreshment.
let
I
go,
traveled a lots of places and lots of
but I
districts,
think that I'm
but
finally
none of them was
feeling
able to give me this much
good
peace.
again.
So without any further, let's begin the
So
story
hard
of my
'cause I
Rajshahi.
loved you, but I'm finally feeling like myself. All of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself. I think that I am moving on 'cause I do feel less broken. I needed a sign, this is a sign that I'm healing. I'm finally healing from you. I'm finally healing from you. I know I make mistakes, don't mean to come off hard. I'm just an imperfect person in this imperfect world. But I'm learning my way on it. This maze that I'm running through now when I think of you. I'm fine, see a picture of you, it would eat me alive. And now when I think of you, I'm fine. And all of the wounds that were opened by you are now closing. I finally know how to live without hurting myself.